The prosecution asked the judge for more time to prepare to ask questions of Dan Serafini since they just found out today that he wanted to take the stand. Serafini never did testify in his own defense at his trial, but the judge did allow Serafini to testify today at this motion hearing for a new trial. Serafini says he had ineffective counsel. These are photos of Serafini on the first day of his murder trial back in May when his legal defense team was David W. Dratman and David Fisher. Serafini contends his lawyers did not provide an adequate defense, violating his constitutional right to a fair trial.
The jury in the above entitled action find the defendant Daniel Joseph Serafini guilty.
After a 2-month-long trial in July, a Placer County jury convicted Serafini of shooting his in-laws, Gary Spoor and Wendy Wood, both shot in the head. Spoor died that day. Wood survived, but later took her own life. At Monday's hearing, Serafini takes the stand wearing his orange jail jumpsuit with his new lawyer asking questions. Serafini says he expected a lot of work and expert witnesses. He said, "They told me they were going to get quite a few ballistics, kinesiology experts, talking something about science experts for chemicals or whatever they found in evidence." His lawyer asked, "When did you become aware they did not have expert witnesses?" "Not until the end of the trial," Serafini said. Serafini says Dratman stopped working on his defense, suffering from a bad hip, taking pain medication, and was bedridden, and that it would be another 6 months. Serafini testified, "My reaction was not good. I flipped out on him. I was upset. I was in there long enough. No way we're pushing this any longer than it should be." His lawyer asked, "Did you tell him you wanted to hire a new lawyer?" Serafini answered, "Yes." The defense also played a voicemail Serafini saved from his phone from Wendy Wood after the attack. She said with new electric therapy, she had a vision of the killer. The prosecution objected and said they have never heard Wood's voicemail. There's a lot going on in Serafini's motion for a new trial. He'll be back here to testify at the courthouse next Monday. Then his former lawyer, Dratman, will take the stand on the 13th, and he's still scheduled to be sentenced for murder on February 20th, unless, of course, the judge does grant him a new trial. In Auburn, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
Serafini also brought up he paid his defense team nearly $300,000 and has asked for his money back.